Hi, today I'm reviewing OPPO Reno 8C and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to this scanner a couple of minutes ago, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint to see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3. Okay, once again. 3, 4, 5. As we can see, the fingerprint scanner works here fast, correct. We just unlocked the device with the any problems. So if you wanna unlock your device successfully, you should just for example, just to keep finger on the sensor just for 2 seconds. You just have no chance to unlock the device with a simple touch to the scanner. So that's why keep your fingerprint on sensor for a couple of seconds, and after that you'll unlock your device successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.